Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tonydelarocha, and for today's video, I'm going to do my first ever pack with me video. I've always wanted to film something like this when I either go traveling or whatever. I'm going to be packing everything I can on this duffel bag here. This is a vegan leather duffel bag from ASOS. I got probably a year ago. I finally put it to use. You're not going to believe how much this duffel bag was. I'm waiting. This duffel bag was $14. I got it on sale at ASOS. I'm not sure if they still have it. I'm definitely positive they don't have it anymore. It's been sold out a while back. If you guys want to see what I'm packing on this duffel bag, then continue watching. So it has the bag here. It has like an extra bag in there, and then when you open it up inside, it's just a fully big old thing. There's no extra bags inside, which sucks, but whatever. It has two handles here that you can clip close to carry on, and it has the long strap here that's removable, so you can definitely remove that and not even bother with it. But I don't think I am. I think I'm gonna keep them in here. I have my coffee ready. You know I need my energy. So the trip that we're taking is tomorrow. We have to be at the airport so freaking early. So tonight I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's and I'm gonna spend the night there and then head to the airport early in the morning. I'm still not gonna tell you guys where we're going. I'm gonna keep it a secret. I just wanna show you guys as soon as we get there. I'm gonna be vlogging, and I'm gonna start vlogging tomorrow morning and showing you guys where we're going, what we're gonna do. So there's gonna be a vlog for you guys. There's gonna be a lookbook, and I don't know what type of other video I wanna film while I'm there. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that we're doing. I don't really fly as often as much as my boyfriend does. The last time I was on a plane, it was probably 3 years ago. And I'm afraid of flying. Let me tell you, I'm afraid of flying. So hopefully as soon as we get to the airport, there's a bar open, because I need a shot of tequila. But I am gonna be on the window side just so I can capture those moments up in the air. Tomorrow in the vlog, I'm gonna show you my outfit that I'm taking to the airport, because I'm still not sure what I'm gonna wear. First and foremost, the products that I'm going to be taking. I need to take a couple things because you never know. I need a little touch up, freshen up. When it comes to my products and little things like that, I am going to be using my Harry's toiletry bag, which is amazing. It came with all the products that they sent me, and here I believe I can fit as much as possible. It does come with an extra pocket here, really long pocket actually. I can put whatever I want in there. It has a little Harry's mammoth there, which I love. I think it's such a cute logo. And then on the inside, it has all of this. And it still has the paper. So I'm gonna show you everything that fits in here, which when you open it up, it does have like that extra little bag here. And then the designs inside, it's so fucking adorable. It's very vacation-like. In my toiletry here, I am going to put a couple products, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to put. I am going to be putting in my deodorant, which is the Extreme Blast. Burt's Bees Lip Balm. I was going to put in my Volition Beauty sunblock here, but it's SPF 50. I need something stronger than that. So Volition Beauty Ear Stain. I am going to be taking my Neutrogena Ultra Sheen Liquid Daily Sunscreen with SPF 70. So this is a lot more. I am going to be taking my glasses. These are probably going to be wearing at the airport or on the plane. And then I'm going to be taking my Rotho eye drops. Need this. Since I can't take my big ass cologne here, I am going to take my Sephora traveling fragrance spray. So, hello. Oh. I'm also going to be throwing in, which is, guys, super damaged, super ugly. I mean, it's broken right there. It's horrible, but it works, and it's my Mophie case. This thing cost me $100, and I'm gonna keep it forever. It helps me. It charges my phone. It's amazing. And then somehow in there, I'm gonna be fitting in my waterproof case that my boyfriend got me. So somehow I'm gonna fit it in there. So pretty much all of that stuff is gonna go on my toiletry. And my deodorant, which I'm gonna put in this little side bag here. I hope you guys can see it. And there is my Harry's toiletry bag full with all my products that I'm going to take on the trip. I'm going to show you the pieces that I'm taking to the trip. First of all, I'm taking obviously an extra pair of underwear. I'm not afraid to show this underwear because I've done a review on this underwear before. And this underwear is by Separatech. As soon as I get back, I'm going to do a review on their new boxer briefs that just came in. So Separatech, if you want to check out that review, it is on my channel. So I'm taking a pair of underwear. I'm taking my Fossil Knob white shorts. I feel like white is a must. I love wearing white. It's dangerous, but I love wearing it. This top you guys have seen in some videos, but I am taking my Ralph Lauren silk top. I don't know, I just want to be flowy. I want to flow with the wind. I'm going to be wearing it with this khaki shorts here. That'll be an outfit that I'm going to be taking pictures of, and like if we go eat or have dinner or something, I'm still going to be a little decent. I am not taking any pants, any jeans, any nothing like that, because I don't think the location that we're going is going to be cold at all. It's going to be warm, and so yeah. I'm taking a white t-shirt because a white t-shirt is a must. Taking these linen shorts because these are my shorts that I wear all the freaking time. I love these shorts. They're so stretchy. They're so comfortable. I'm going to take these just in case. If I want to feel more comfortable, then I'll just wear these linen ones. Got this dress shirt kind of for like a photo, and I cut the sleeves up and rolled them up. Made it look a little bit more trendy, and so I'm going to take this to take pictures out there. These swim trunks I haven't worn ever. I'm going to definitely wear this. And this is going to go on top of it. So I'm probably going to have the white tee underneath. I love how these two match. I don't know, I like how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my traditional shoes that I love wearing, especially when it's outdoors. They're breathable, they're comfortable, and they're my Fry Huarache style boat shoes, which I get a lot of compliments from it. You can tell how much I wear them. You can definitely tell how much I wear them. But I get a lot of compliments on this. And then I love wearing boat shoes, and when they made these Huarache style boat shoes, so it's like a sandal slash boat shoe. Huarache is a Mexican style sandal, so they made it into that traditional knitting here with the leather. They're the most comfortable shoes I own, especially when it comes to being outdoors, and you know, you want to be comfy. You don't want your feet to be sweaty and smelly. The air goes through these little knitted areas here, so they're so comfortable. I'm obviously taking my Adidas slides, and I'm taking my Docker slides that I bought at JCPenney for my campaign that I did with them. So these two are so comfortable. So they're by Dockers, and they're available at JCPenney. These I bought at Ross, I think. I'm not sure. But these are the ones I'm taking in there, so hopefully it fits on my duffel bag, and we're gonna pack it all up right now. So this is pretty much what I'm taking to the trip. Some of the outfits that I'm taking are normally for pictures. Some I am going to wear throughout the day, but some are just going to be for pictures. Whatever fits on my duffel, I'm just going to take it and see how it goes. Another important thing that I need to take is my belt. Last but not least, I'm taking my big ass Lacoste towel. So this should give you a hint to where we're going. So this is a must. I better not forget this. So I'm going to go ahead and pack all this stuff into my duffel bag, and fingers crossed that everything fits. Right guys, so that's pretty much how I fit everything in my bag. Let me just show you. I mean, I was expecting for it to be heavier than this, but it definitely isn't. The worst thing to do at the airport is carrying heavy ass stuff. So I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys want to pack light for a trip or anything like that, I'm usually a heavy packer. I love to take literally all my closet to my trip. You never know. I know there's so many questions of what you can carry on the plane, what you cannot. I do have a carry-on bag, so I mean, I feel like I should be okay. Big bottles are not allowed when it comes to products, so I am taking travel size, what I think is travel size. So I hope when we get there, I get nothing taken away because I would die. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear in tomorrow's vlog. I'm not gonna edit or upload anything until I get back from the trip, so just keep your eyes open for that, for those amazing videos that are gonna come up. I'm gonna film a lookbook out there as well, and I'm gonna vlog everything that we're gonna eat, that we're gonna drink, everything that we're gonna go explore. It'll be on the vlog. I'm gonna upload it on my vlog channel, and I'm gonna upload it here. You guys can go check it out on the vlog channel or check it out here. Either way, if you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, go and subscribe. It'll be on the link down below. If you don't follow my social media, you should. I'm gonna be posting tons and tons of things up there. My social media, my Snapchat, my Instagram is gonna be lit. I never use that word. I'm never using it again. Anyways, go follow me on my Instagram. So I'm going to be posting stuff on my IG story. Go follow me on Snapchat and all the other social medias that'll be down below. If you're new here, thank you for watching. My name is Tonydelarocha, and I do review plus size fashion and lifestyle videos. So subscribe, be part of this little family. Don't forget to hit that notification button to get notified every time I post a video. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in paradise. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.